I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a review of the 3M Command hooks. So these are great little hooks that you can put onto your wall, and they work really well for the holiday season especially. So you can see here I have a fireplace, I've got my mantle, and if you want to hang stockings over the mantle, but you don't want to be putting holes into your actual wall, then you can use one of these 3M Command hooks. And basically it's got the hook itself, and then behind it, it has an adhesive that attaches to the wall. And you can see it's really strong. I can put this on here. I can hang probably a couple pounds on this. And it's I've had mine here for a couple years now. Actually, I don't take mine off, but you could take them off at the end of the season if you wanted to. And you can, again, hang, a pretty substantial stocking with some presents and things in that. They're also great for hanging other kinds of things around the house. So if you want to hang up a kitchen utensil in the kitchen, or you want to hang something small, I use them to sometimes to put on, like I've got here, a little string of photos that goes across here, and that's tied on with a string. So this is something that's nice to be able to hang on here too. And again, when you do remove it, there's not going to be any damage to the wall behind. So these are also great if you're a renter, for example, and you want to be able to hang up some basic items in your house that have to go onto a hook. Maybe put your keys on a hook when you come in the door, but again, you don't want to be having your security deposit taken away when you go to move out of the space. And you can put several of these along. So I have hooks all along the mantelpiece here with my fireplace, and then I can hang up my stockings for the holidays. So I think it's a great option, especially for that, especially for this season, to be able to use these 3M Command hooks to do that.